So we just got this Hawaiian shaped ice machine. It comes with 6 of these little containers that you fill 3/4 of the way and you can freeze. This machine will do your traditional, like very thin, almost like snow Hawaiian shaped ice, or you can just use crushed ice cubes. You don't have to freeze anything ahead of time, and it'll make that chunkier, like snow cone ice. But we prefer snow ice. So you pop the top on until it clicks. At the top, you just twist this to pop it open, and then you push the power button. It's not like overly loud. See, the ice is nice and thin and compact. 1 disc of ice usually fills like 2 of these. So you can get 2 snow cones out of 1 container. But it has been our most favorite, worth every penny summer purchase.
Okay, so we open this right here. Can you hold this? Point it right here. Open. Pop it open. Will you get the ice cube in there? Okay. Put the ice cube in, flat side down. Put this back on, turn it to open.
Put a bowl at the bottom.
Well, we will, just a second. Open, push it down until it locks. Now it's on. Okay, I'm gonna hold it while you push the button.
Which button?
Can I eat it?